And kia ora to you, Monique Bradley here.
Hey, Pete Ward here.
We're out and about in the car. We've just been working on a whole lot of stuff around storytelling. And one of the questions I wanted to pose to you is, how are you using storytelling to support your brand, your media, your marketing, and getting your message out there? Now, Pete, you have seen people over the years trying to use storytelling, and we've seen a few times where people have fallen down. What do you think, as a digital storyteller, is one of the things that people are sort of missing when it comes to getting themselves out there and using storytelling to do it? Big question for you.
Big question. Well, we like to use, I'm just driving at the moment, so
Don't look at the camera.
I've got clowns all over the road. One of the things is we like to look at it, we've got our 5 R's that we like to base the whole thing on. So we essentially, it's the right message in the right content, to the right people, on the right platform, at the right time. And so if
Nice
you
and simple.
go with 5 R's and you think, okay, well, first of all, you've got to get your message right. So that's obviously where you start everything, because you're sending out the wrong message, so then you've got the right content. So then content is, okay, are we doing a video? Are we doing a blog? Is it just a social media post? Is it an article on LinkedIn? You see what I'm going there?
I do.
obviously.
Yep, got it.
That's pretty easy. So then it's to the right people. So there's no point in telling the wrong customer or the wrong potential customer if they're not ever going to be your customer. If you're going to spend all of that time and effort,
It's
make
just
sure
a
you're
waste
talking-
of time
Yep,
if it's not right.
yeah, make sure you're talking to the right people. And then you've got to think of the platform, because that's where the people are. So you've got to think, is this the right platform?
Of course.
So identifying that. Once again, it's a no-brainer, but just making sure. Okay.
All sorts of crazy traffic going on.
I think that person wants to go right, and then that other person's going around them, and then
Drama.
Yep, and then of course at the right time. No point in posting something when the people aren't on there. A lot of
That's
people
true.
finish their content and then they put it onto YouTube. They upload it straight to YouTube. Great, finished it. It's 8 o'clock at night. Upload it to YouTube, and nobody's on there from any of their target market are not sitting on YouTube at 8 p.m. In the evening. So you've got to think about when they are there. Even if you have to wait till the next day, do it. Wait till the next day and do it at a time. And look, there's ways of seeing when the people are on there. If your target, we've got a monetized YouTube channel, so you can see in the background when all of our people are actually on there.
That's true. And we have a plugin integrated into our YouTube channel to help us with keyword research and things like that, so we can get better views and engagement. If you want to know what that is, just message us and we'll share the secrets with you. What is cool about that tool is that, like you said, it can show you the time when your ideal client is there ready to watch your content. When it comes to storytelling, for me, I clearly focus on the telling of the story. So when you're talking about the content, I'm looking at that sort of next level down. What you're talking about is the overarching strategy, whereas I'm looking at the tactics. I'm looking at, so what's the important information in that message? How are you going to stay memorable? And I always come back to one great quote from Maya Angelou, who said, people will not remember the words that you said, but they'll remember how you make them feel. What is missing from that quote, which I like to add, is the fact that language is the conduit to make people feel. So when we say things that connect with people more emotively, whether it's at that heart level or if it's humorous and we get people laughing, or if people feel something, they have empathy for us, that actually creates a much deeper connection with your ideal client. So if you can focus on sharing content and sharing stories that will make people feel, you'll actually be 70% more memorable than information alone. And there's stats that show it and everything. So for me, it's about that, and then how we deliver that message is, of course, my specialist area. Nice. So yeah, it's that mix of making sure you've got the right content going out at the right time on the right platforms to the right people with the right message.
Yep.
All of those things are the magic formula. And if you want to know more on how to do that, get in touch, reach out, because that's everything we teach, train and consult on. We run workshops, and we just have a damn good time telling stories. All right, time for us to go. I'm Monique Bradley.
I'm Pete Ward.
Yes, he is. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
See you, bye.